how to create album on Samsung. So if you want to create album on Samsung, to move in your photos so that to be able to section photos in Samsung Galaxy phone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if you don't know this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. To create album on Samsung, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the gallery app on your phone. Once you open the gallery app, go to your photos page. So you want to search your photos page, then select the photo you want to move to the album. Go ahead and click on more at the bottom right. Then here, you want to click on move to album. Then select the album, and if you want to create a new album, go ahead and click on create at the top right. Then give this album a name. So I'm going to say album. Then click on create. Now it should say moving items to album. Then if you go back to the gallery page, scroll down. Then you should see the album you created. You see this? Then you can now go ahead, move multiple photos to your album. So press and hold this. Click on more. Then move to album. Here you want to select the name of the album you have here. Then you see that? Then it's going to move to the album. You see that? Then if you click on album, then you should have access to all the photos you move to the album. So that is basically how to create album on Samsung phone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.